Have you ever felt guilty about not doing something? I know I have. I feel guilty for saying I trust God, but also at the same time not being able to actually take the action to prove it. Does this mean my faith is broken? Because if it was true, I would just do as Nike says and just do it, right? Clearly, this isn't a little thing. If it were, we would all be doing the work and changing the world and doing what God has called us to do. But we're not. And listen, I'm not at the level I know that I'm supposed to anyway. James 2:7 says, "Thus also by faith itself, if it does not have works, it's dead." Listen, James 2:17 hits hard, okay? Faith without works is dead. Period. All I can see is a fish laying on the ground, grasping for air. That's how it feels to me when I'm stuck in this place where I just can't do it, even though I want to do it. I know it's not enough to say that I believe. Like, I've literally done that a million times, and I still didn't do the thing that I know that God wants me to do. But here's the thing. I feel like I need to stop saying and start doing more. I need to live more like I believe, because faith is not passive. It's proven by real action, and real faith actually moves. So today, ask yourself, and I'm literally going to be asking myself this too. What does my faith really look like? Am I obeying what I say I believe, or am I just giving God lip service? Like, ouch, that actually hurt. That really stings a little, y'all. If I trust God to provide, am I still worrying, or am I giving, budgeting, and praying like I trust Him? If I say I believe in His calling, am I taking the steps, or just making it appear as if I am? If I say I believe in His calling, am I actually taking the steps, or am I just making it appear as if I serve a God of empty promises? Because we know that ain't God, right? Faith doesn't mean perfection, but it does mean movement. Don't let your belief sit on a shelf. Pick it up, dust it off, and put it in motion so that your life is the evidence of the faith that you actually proclaim. And this is something that, as I go throughout my week, I am going to actually be working on myself, seeing the evidence of my faith. Thanks for joining me for another 1 Minute on Purpose.